A high-speed chase ensued in the San Fernando Valley on Monday evening, July 21st, for a suspected DUI driver. The driver was driving at speeds in excess of 110 mph on Highway 101. The driver sped through Woodland Hills, Tarzana, Lake Balboa, and Van Nuys. The chase extended to Highways 101 and 405. He nearly lost control of the vehicle at several points, ran red lights, and drove on the wrong side of the road. The chase ended shortly before 8 p.m. near Sherman Oaks and Fiume Street in Encino, moments after the driver exited Highway 405.
There, and he collides with that vehicle, a parked car in the driveway there. CHP with their gun banked out here. The doors are jammed. He went full speed through the bushes into a parked car, into a house. You can see that parked car is a residential property. You can see that red vehicle now wedged in the bushes at the end with that primary unit. We're going to ramp around the southbound side of the 405 freeway. They're looking at the back seat here. We'll see if there's anybody back there. Looks like the back seat here appears to be empty here. They're going to tackle Boulevard.
When the driver struck the concrete wall, debris flew toward nearby homes.
He might be CHP.
The
Looks like he's
suspect's
going
red
under the
car also
405.
struck a parked
No,
vehicle
under the
and became
405.
wedged
Getting on
in
the
some
405,
bushes.
southbound 405. Getting
California
on the 405,
Highway
southbound
Patrol
405.
officers quickly reached the vehicle and pulled the suspect out.
Patrol 5.
The driver was subsequently
California
arrested.
Highway Patrol takes the 405 with him, and he's going to pick up speed. You bet your bottom dollar he is going to try and put some more distance between him and that primary unit. Here comes that primary unit, no more than a car length behind that suspect. Suspect doing about 80 miles per hour, southbound side of the 405 freeway, now passing Burbank Boulevard, closing in on triple digits.